every brother that's caught in the crossfire. That's caught in the crossfire.
So today I'm going to ding dong some houses. My cousin here. Hi. Come on.
Hi.
Can you hold this phone too?
No.
Okay, get a head start.
I was kidding. Give it.
No, I can hold it.
Give it.
Okay guys, that was good. I saw them going out. Go!
Going to the second house.
Okay, let's go. Wait, which house is it? This one? Yeah, this one. Damn. I don't know.
Go. Just knock. Hurry up.
No, go. Come on, go, let's go. So long. House that we're doing. See those cute puppies? Hey, Chris. I'll give it to you.